going camping this weekend, and we thought we'd bring you along with us. This is a new camping ground for us. Well, let's be honest. This is a new experience for us. We've never been camping. We've got everything packed, I think, and ready to go. I've got two little babies in the back. What do you think about this, huh? Lily, what do you think? They are still in freak out mode because we just got in the car and they probably won't settle down. But the place that we're going, it's about an hour away from our house. It's at a lake. And so we reserved this campsite weeks ago because the campsites go really, really fast. We have a non-electric campsite. Lily! Oh my gosh. Okay, we have a non-electric campsite, and there's like a guy beside me like watching me hold this camera up to my face. And so it should be really fun. It's kind of semi-lakefront, so we'll show you everything when we get there. Well, we finally made it 3.5 hours later, but no, 2.5 hours later, but we did finally make it, and it is well worth the drive. It's mostly traffic and everything, but we made it nonetheless, and we are here, and I will show a view of kind of what it looks like. We are on the lake, and we did get a really nice lakefront, I guess, campsite. This is a non-electric campsite, so Chad has already started the fire going, which I will show as well. Dang, that thing puts out some serious heat. And it looks like he's just got in there some like branches that maybe he found around the area. We've got most of our supplies out. We've got our tent set up. So I guess I'll do like a little tour of the tent. And we did bring the dogs with us this trip. You probably heard them barking earlier. But I got them this little pop-up pet tent. So I will show them. So this is the little portable pet tent. And, you know, at this campsite, which is probably very typical of campsites, you're really not supposed to have your pets out without a leash. So I thought this would be the perfect thing. And it's actually pretty sturdy, but it does fold down. I got it off of Amazon. And, yeah, so these are two mini schnauzers. And they fit pretty comfortably in there. With room to spare. They were laying down earlier. Actually, when I got it earlier this week, I just left it out in our living room so they could have a chance to kind of get used to it a little bit. But yeah, I thought that, you know, we will have them with us a lot of the time too, but when we're just doing stuff like right now, just setting up the camp, it'd be nice to have a place for them to go that maybe feels a little bit safe, but yet they're still contained and they're not just on a leash. I think that I'm gonna go down to the water. We're not that far. It's just like a little walk down this path, and I'm getting bit up by bugs as well. But yeah, I want to walk down to the water and check it out. So I thought I would also give a overview of the tent that we have and the setup for it. So this is a 3-man tent. I guess it's a 3-man pop-up tent. I'm not really sure, but it's a 3-man tent, and actually it's quite spacious inside, so we can go have a look around inside. As you can see on the outside, we did put this tarp underneath. It's an 8x10 to kind of give a size comparison, just so that the tent wasn't sitting totally on the ground. So here is the inside of our tent. So as you can see, this fits a queen size air mattress inside. So I have the pillow up top. And that's like one of those long body pillows. I just thought that would be easy to travel with. And we'll just share that. And then this is a queen size blow up mattress, a single level one. And then we did put an old blanket over here to the left, just for the dogs and for a walking area. And then we have a pet bed of theirs, like an older one that we don't use much, right there in the back. We do also plan on keeping maybe our cooler in here as well tonight. We'll see how that goes. Along the back right there, there is also a window that has like a screen so that you can open that for more ventilation. And up top, we have a light. We purchased this before this trip as well, and it's specifically made for a tent, and it actually gets very bright. It's 60 LED, so we have that as well. And yeah, this is our little setup, and it should be really nice. Hopefully it'll be really cozy. And we set it up to where the view is actually the water when you open up the door. So there you have it. That's our 3-man pop-up tent. I don't guess that has any kind of description on it. But we've been really pleased with it so far. Here's a view from the back of the campsite. As you can see, the road I'm standing on right now is actually where we parked. And then you can see the water is really not far down below. I don't know how it's coming across on camera, but it's really not a very far walk at all. And then this is like a little cove, I think, that goes just inward a little bit, so that's kind of a nice area to swim. And then this is kind of an overview shot of the campsite. It's sitting kind of on a concrete style lot, and it's down in a little bit, so we picked this online not really knowing exactly what we were getting, but have been really happy with it so far. So this is camp dinner number 1. What I've got here is basically some tin foil. On top of that, I have some baby red potatoes that are from this bag. I cut them up when I got here because, you know, red potatoes can go bad. You know, or they turn brown if you cut them open. So, and then on top of that, I have some shredded onion and some ground beef. So I just used like a 1-pound packet of this, you know, organic ground beef. And what I'm going to do is kind of wrap these up in little foil packets, and we're going to pop them on the grill. And I'm also going to top them off with a little bit of this Mexican cheese. Oh yeah. I don't know if you can see this. Oh, look at this. Look at this goodness. This looks so good. Ground beef, potatoes.
You're not filming it.